prayers to Ma Sharda, and as it is Vinayak Chaturthi, prayers to Lord Ganesha for betterment of the world. Let us start revision and new topic of first chapter. Okay. Yesterday we discussed Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law is a law which gives us electric force between two static charges at a certain distance. So that's why it was called two-body force. Okay, and there was some conditions that there were some conditions that the distance should not be less than 10 raised to minus 15 meter and not more than 10 raised to 18 meter. Now, if there are more than two charges are there, means on a single charge more than two charges are offering force. How to find the resultant force? Okay, that is our topic today. That is called superposition of electric forces. Okay, in that case we have to learn this principle of superposition. Now, what is principle of superposition? The statement is when on an electric charge more than two charges offer forces, the resultant force on that charge will be vector sum of forces exerted by all charges. Okay, repeating, on an electric charge, the force by two or more than two charges is equal to resultant force of all the electric forces. Indirectly, this principle of superposition states that there is no effect of existence of third charge between two charges. Okay, if third charge is also existing, it will offer its own individual charge. Okay, independent charge, independent force. Okay, it will behave as independent body. It won't affect the force between already existing two charges. Okay, so that is called principle of superposition. Now let us consider three charges, 3 point-like charges. Okay, this is Q2, this is Q1, this is Q3. Here we are considering like charges, means either all three are positive or all three are negative. So the force will be of repulsion type. Okay, so first of all we have to define position vectors. So with reference to O, position vector of Q1 is vector R1, position vector of Q2 is vector R2, position vector of Q3 is vector R3. Okay, now F12 is the force on Q1 by Q2. F12 means force on Q1 by Q2, and that will be repulsion. Okay, so it will be in this direction, and the unit vector in this direction is said as R12 caret. This is distance R12, but unit vector in this direction is R12 caret, or say R12 cap. Similarly, force on 1 by 3, it is F13. Okay, that is also repulsion. Okay, and the unit vector in that direction is R13 cap. Okay, now what is formula for F12? We studied yesterday. K, in place of K we are writing 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, means we have considered vacuum, into Q1 Q2 upon this distance square, so R12 square, and we have to denote here, we have to show here unit vector in that direction, that is R12 caret. Okay, then F13. Okay, so F13 is again K, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, into Q1 Q3 upon R13 square into R13 cap. Okay, this shows direction. Now, what is R12? What is R12? It is vector from Q2 to Q1. What is R13? It is vector from Q3 to Q1. But keep in mind, here I have just shown the distances. So don't draw here vector on this, because vector is only one side, one direction. Here we are showing the distance from this to this. So we have drawn arrow both the sides. So it cannot be vector. Okay. Here we have written vector, but here we have just shown its magnitude, that is distance between 3 and 1. Okay. Now resultant force on Q1, according to principle of superposition, it is equals to F12 plus F13, and we know that if we want to add these two, we have to use parallelogram method. Okay, so we have drawn parallelogram, and this is the resultant vector. So F1 equals to F12 plus F13. Okay, just putting values from here. F12 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12 square into R12 cap plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 upon R13 square into R13 cap. Okay, more than 3 charges we will consider tomorrow. Actually, our purpose is to study theory here, because everything is not possible on YouTube. So please contact me on this number by text message only. Okay, only text message 9825245816. Okay, in our academy we give homework, we follow up the students' work. Okay, we take regular tests and doubt solving. Everything is going on this number. Okay, so please make a call, send a text message on this number. Otherwise, theory will be on tomorrow. Bye.